Hello again, it's us here. We're done with our surgery. It was such a great experience for the first time. We did it for about 7 hours. It was different, and at the end of the day, as you can see, there is, the hair started growing, and we honestly truly like the experience here.
We're happy about the result at the moment, and I'm sure later on it's going to be much better. It was quite good experience, and people here are very nice. They take care of you. They tell you what to do exactly. Just take care of yourself, and you'll be happy at the end. And we just want to say thank you, Hair Center of Turkey.
We appreciate it.